Good morning wherever you are in this wonderful world of ours. I'm Hot Car Track, or otherwise I'm known as Simon. I just wanted to say hi, thanks for subbing, and thanks for watching. For without you guys, this channel would not exist. And that's why I'm actually here on camera, just to have a quick chat about the future of this channel and channels like myself, which is Diecast racing or Diecast modelling. I'm not too sure what's going to happen to us all. We can still be on YouTube, however, there'll be no community involved with us putting stuff up. You won't know when the video goes up unless you've subscribed. Comments will be closed. I don't think you can even do a like or a thumbs up. And, you know, for myself and Hot Car Track and Mount Western Raceway, that's the whole reason I started this channel. Was to have a community where we could all hang out for a few minutes a day and just switch off and watch some cars go around a track. But what's happened is COPPA have, forced YouTube, YouTube has forced us to nominate whether our videos or our content is made for kids or for adults. Now, straight away, my channel, Hot Car Track, is made for adults. It is made for people from 13 years upwards. I can't stop children that are 12 years and younger watching the channel. That's up to the parents. And if they watch it, excellent. But it's not my problem or fault if a minor watches the channel. This channel has always been purpose-built for adults to hang out in. It's as simple as that. And for adults to communicate and to have a laugh and a bit of fun. Just to switch off from the everyday realism of life. You know, to watch a die-cast car race down a track and slam into a wall. And, you know, that's what the Hot Car Track's all about. But I've read a lot this morning and last night about the changes. And it seems to be if you have a toy in your channel, and they're deeming a die-cast Matchbox or Hot Wheels car as a toy for minors. I don't disagree. However, it's in my circumstance, these cars are for adults, adult collectors. There's thousands of dollars of track and die-cast cars sitting out there. I mean, thousands. A parent wouldn't buy that for his or her child if it's a minor. You know, these are serious adult collections that take time, money, and effort to acquire. So they're forcing my channel to either say, one, it's made for adults, right, which it is, or secondly, it's made for children, which it's not. But there's this thin line, which I'm still trying to work out. Because I have a toy in the friggin' channel, they're now saying it's made for children. It's not made for children, guys. This channel is for adults. You know, it's as simple as that. So I'm not too sure what's going to happen. I don't know what we're going to do, because the community is everything to me and Hot Car Track and Mount Western Raceway. And without us being able to communicate and like and thumbs up and whatever else we do on the channel, it's a dead duck, really, isn't it? You know. So anyway, that's my 2 bobs worth. You can see behind me I'm editing the semi-final race 2, which should be up in the next day or two. So yet again, thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and let's just hope there's this magic switch that YouTube can do for us adult content creators that do use toys, to keep us going and to have a community rather than it just being switched off, because it'd be a damn shame. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you later.